Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this quick and easy card tutorial for a new baby card. I've got some elements which I cut out already. I'm going to use this Polaroid frame die set by Craft&You design. As you can see, there are lots of elements and I'm going to use this one. I love this cloud and it's actually a set of two pieces. Let me show you actually because I have it somewhere. Yes, so once you use that one cutting die, you get those two pieces, but you can put them together and you can create this beautiful cloud, or you can cut it, for example, from different colors. So it's all up to you. And I also going to use this bigger frame on my project and this collection, which is called Boho Baby. Beautiful collection by Craft&You design, and I'm going to use a set to fussy cut as well. So you can see I've got lots of elements already prepared. I'm going to use those, but I cut out a lot more. As you can see, these are really pretty, and if you just sit down, cut them out, you will have lots of elements for different projects. So let me prepare a little bit more and I will be back with my tutorial. So I've got my square card base, which measures 5 3/4 of an inch square, and then my first layer is a 5.5 inch square, and then this one is 5 1/4 of an inch. So let me put it together, and as you can see, this one has a little bit missing, and this is where I cut out that beautiful frame from that die set I showed you at the beginning. So I used a bigger frame here. So I already prepared that frame with a 3D foam pad. So let me put this one down, because this card will need to fit a standard envelope. I decided not to do a lot of dimension, but I will still do a lot of layers, because it's just not possible for me not to do a lot of layers. And I love this style of cards, and because I already did a dry run for this card, and it's going to look really pretty. So this is my next layer. This one measures 5 1/4 square, and I was hesitating, should I use this double on this side or that one, but I think this one goes really well with this floral paper underneath it. So that's my next layer, adhering it flat, and then I will add a little bit of dimension by using foam pads on my frame. So I'm going to put that frame here. So even though I've got my 3D foam pads, I'm still going to add a little bit of glue just to make it stronger. So this is my frame. Of course, I have to make sure that it's nice and straight on my project. And now I can decorate it by using those beautiful animals. So some of them, they will be on foam pads, some of them they will be flat. So I think I'm going to put that big teddy nice and flat. I'm going to put that kiss here, and then this one will be partially flat, partially on foam pads. And I was thinking about adding that a giraffe like so. Maybe I will put it a bit lower, because I need to fit that sentiment which says congratulations, because it's a new baby card. So I thought I will add it here, like they are all saying congratulations. So I think, yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that giraffe first, then I will see exactly how much space I have. And it's so nice to have those beautiful elements, and I think it's so easy to cut them out, keep them in a pouch, and have it ready for whenever you need to use it. So I'm thinking about this one, but I had this beautiful leaf, and I think I might actually add it here on the teddy, because I just want to add a little bit more interest into my card. So I'm going to adhere it now, adding a little bit of glue here, and I have to make sure that it doesn't stick out that much because it has to fit that envelope. Now where's my teddy? And now I'm going to add some foam pads at the top here, and he's going to be sitting nicely. Let me see if it's enough of those foam pads. Keep checking if it's fine, and that's fine, so I'm happy with that. Adding a little bit of glue, and I think I need a little bit of glue here at the bottom as well to secure him nicely. Yes, I'm happy with that. Trying to keep my card straight on my mat so I can see if it's nice and straight. Now I can add this little, I think it's a fox, isn't it? So I'm looking, and I need to make sure that it's, I think I'm going to put it here. I just don't want the tail under his chin that much. So again, I'm putting a little bit glue where I want my foam pads to be placed. And I think that long bit will be enough. And now I need to add glue to the other sections. Just now I need to put it down. Yeah, and I think that's fine. I think the feet are not stuck properly, so I'm adding a touch of glue underneath here. And now it's time to create my floral composition, or maybe I will add the sentiment first. So let me put the sentiment. I added some foam pads already, so I'm going to remove that backing paper, and I need it like so. I think that's fine. I'm just looking for the camera to see if I like how it looks like, and I'm happy with that. So I've got those leaves. I'm going to start with them just to elongate my composition. So let me just add here them flat, and I think most of the elements now they will be flat. And I'm keeping the ends kind of floating just to give more interest and like a dimension to those flat elements. So that's first, and then I've got those other leaves I wanted to add as well. So going to maneuver them a little bit, add them here, and it will, once the glue will dry, it will look really nice. So adding that one here, and now I can play with those flowers. So I'm thinking to put them flat here, and the one in the middle will be raised a little bit, and I think it still should be okay, and it will fit the envelope, so I'm not going to worry about that. So placing this one flat, the other one as well. I think I have to put a little bit more glue just in case. I'm going to cut that bit off because it doesn't need to be there. I think I just need a little bit more glue here. And then on this one I will actually use a little bit of foam pad just to raise it a little bit, just to create like a little bit more dimension. So this flower will look really pretty in here, and I think I'm going to add a few more leaves. Just looking for some small ones. Maybe this one, maybe I can cut a little bit from the big one, and maybe let's see, need to make it a little bit shorter. Yeah, I think I will do it this way, just to add a little bit extra to this composition. I think it needs something more. So even though you've got some bigger, longer leaves, you can still cut them a little bit and add them if you feel that you need a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to add it anyway. Just looks like it doesn't want to go in, but I'm going to push it in. This one is done. And I'm going to add this one, maybe like just on the corner here. Yeah, I like this one here. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy card to create, especially when you've got lots of beautiful elements you cut out, and though that collection with those extra sheets to cut out, it's so pretty that you don't have to think a lot. I think you just have to decide which elements to use, I think. So this is my finished card, and I think I'm going to add a few pairs. I think that would be nice to finish off this project by adding few pairs, and I think will go for those white ones. I was thinking about gems, but I think gems are just a bit too much on this project, so I'm going for slightly bigger and one smaller. So if I'm going to catch it, let's see. Yeah, I have here. So I think those two, they look really nice, and I think I'm happy with that. So let me adhere them first before they will disappear somewhere. So the first one is here, and then that tiny one. So I'm really curious, what do you think about this card? Have you seen any Craft&You design papers? Probably you've seen quite a few of them on my channel. So I'm going to include all the products below the video so you can check it out. I'm going to link the online shop as well, where you can get those beautiful papers and all the information you might need to create something like this. So I'm looking forward to hear from you, to read your comments. What do you think about this quick and easy project? What do you think about this card, which should technically fit the envelope? As you can see, there's quite a lot of dimension anyway, but I think it's a cute card to make. So thank you so much for watching. Keep checking the channel to see different videos coming up soon, and remember to comment, like, subscribe and share. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.